What's up, everyone? I'm back with what should be a quick video today because, like I've said in some other previous videos, I've got these boxes coming in and just stacking up, and I really got to get through them. Otherwise, we're just going to have too much stuff sitting around. So, like I said in the previous video about the ready-mades, I bought 3 pairs. I bought 2 of the black and orange, and I bought 1 of the other colorway. The other colorway came in, and now I want to get into it and see how it compares to the black and orange. Now, I bought 2 of the black and orange because I thought it was going to be my favorite one to wear. That doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be my favorite one, period, but I just felt it was going to be more versatile on feet. So, I am definitely going to wear one of these, but let's open this and see how it compares. See, the thing about white is you got to be a bit more careful with what you wear if you want it to be cohesive. And I would normally, wear my outfit for the videos to kind of match what I'm unboxing, but today it's St. Patty's Day, so the day overrides the colorway. And I didn't wear white and black, I wore green. Although the green kind of fits the box. So, let's get this out, get that out of the way, and here we go. So the box, same as the black and orange one. Once again, came from StockX, paid way too much for all 3 of these pairs. I did not get lucky on sneakers, but this is one that I just had to have. And let's take a look. All right, I am not gonna lie. I think in hand, these definitely are not as cool as the black and orange ones to me personally, but I kind of fully expected that. Like I said, that's why I ordered 2 of the other ones. And I think the big reason why is because of the contrast in color that the black and orange ones add between the midsole to the upper, and then contrast that with the swoosh, where this is, it's a much more cohesive shoe, but it all kind of blends together. And I think on a shoe like this, where it kind of feels like the purpose of it is to just look really, really crazy, the blending of the color kind of takes away from that. So it's a lot more subtle. And if that's your thing, then, these will work for you. But for me, that's not the purpose of wearing this shoe. I'm not wearing this shoe to be subtle. I'm wearing this shoe to be loud. The other thing I'm noticing, and I think it's just in the material, and this is something you definitely would not pick up on without having these in hand. The material on this swoosh, it just feels a little better. It's rubbery, but it just feels more solid for some reason. And I don't know, something about the color and how they make it that changes how it feels. These came kind of a little bit more bent. They almost look like they have like a slight crease by comparison. I don't like the swoosh as much in terms of how it actually looks and feels, and it's a really subtle difference, and it's got nothing to do with the color itself, but I'm sure the color affected how it was manufactured. Other key difference, this one came with orange laces. I believe These black and orange ones came with like a neon yellow. Let's take a look here. Yep, so that's the difference in the lace colors. Overall, it's a quality shoe. I don't know if I would have gone for these if these did not exist. And the big reason I bought these, having bought a second pair of these, is because they're like brother and sister. You know, if you're gonna keep a pair of these dead stock, you might as well keep both colorways together dead stock. We'll see. I don't know whether I'll actually even want to rock these on feet. They almost feel, personally, just a little bit too plain for me. But in conjunction with these two, that's where it all kind of makes sense. So that's that. One other nice touch that I did not point out in my previous video that I actually do really like about this is the logo here. It's the Nike swooshes and kind of a recycled symbol, which, you know, that's kind of the purpose of the shoe, is recycling discarded materials to make something new and cool out of them. So I think that's a really, really cool touch there. Other than that, I mean, they're basically pretty much spot on. Same shoe, just different colors. Swoosh feels a little different, but other than that, you know, it's still a very solid shoe. I think if you're interested in these, absolutely go get them and just pick the colorway that works for you. You know, the other thing that I did say is I thought that these were going to go up in value over time. And I'm curious as to kind of where they sit now that it's a week or two on. So let me just take a quick look here. See if I can find it. It looks like last sale was $345 for the black and orange ones on StockX. Looks like it's hovering right around $300. That's about what I picked the second pair up for. So looks like it's kind of stabilized, which is good. And that's kind of personally what I was thinking or expecting would happen. And I think kind of from here, a couple months out, these are going to be going up again. These are a quality shoe. They feel very, very solid. I personally highly recommend them. I'm not one to sugarcoat things or kind of be biased based on what I was hoping for. Hopefully from my other videos you know that. Getting these in hand, they are better than I thought they would be. So these are definitely keepers. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to have another video maybe out today. Going to try to shoot it today. I got 2 custom made by me Air Max 95s coming in. And I'm going to get to show off some of that icy hot design style. See you at the next one.